Global energy crisis putting more pressure on the American consumer, who's likely to see higher energy bills this winter. Joining us now to discuss energy policy and possible solutions, Tom Fanning, Chairman, President, and CEO of Southern Company, which posted quarterly results earlier this morning. Adjusted earnings 2 cents short, revenue well above expectations. Yeah, we may have some difficult times this winter, but it's all relative compared to what might happen across the pond, Tom.
Yeah, Joe, gosh, you know, I've been joining you guys in this program for over a decade now, and I can remember about a decade ago when Fukushima happened and there was this question of whether we would continue to build nuclear. I remember you and I had an exchange, and I said it's really important to understand European energy policy because watch what they do and then do the opposite. You know, anybody that didn't think Putin would weaponize energy, I think, was sadly misguided. You know, here in the United States, we have the ability to be energy independent. And so we need to continue to promote all of the above in terms of fuel sources. If you just rely on natural gas, we are going to see a tough time. I think to date, household energy prices are up over 20%. Southern's been able to keep that number less than half of that.
Yeah, you loaded fuel into a new nuclear plant. Is it reactor 3? Is this the only one being built in the United States in decades, and it's yours?
In a generation of Americans is what I like to say. And Joe, the two benefits we see out of that, the energy coming out of that nuclear plant will be at the equivalent of about $1 per million BTU. We know that in 2020, for example, gas was around $2 per million BTU. Since then, it has doubled almost and doubled again almost. So that plant looks awfully good right now. And when you think about this transition to net zero by 2050, we know that renewables will play a big part in that. Renewables don't work when the sun doesn't shine or the wind doesn't blow. That nuclear plant will work 24/7, 365.